Top of the morning, goons and mutants. I bid you good morning from across the street. That old bread factory here in Buena Park, California. Good morning out there. I am sitting before an amp that I almost regretted bringing inside the house to work on. And now I'm just overjoyed that I did. Never give up. Take a look at this clean little lady. This old Gretsch 6161 is ready to go home. We're going to listen to some sound samples. Just take a quick peek at it. Just soak it in. Let your eyeballs bask in the glory of its vintage goodness. This thing is ready. Hope you guys have an amazing weekend ahead. It's Friday today. Don't forget that. And also don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to share and make comments if you like it. Otherwise, take care. Eric, you are listening to the background noise of your 1961 Valco Gretsch 6161 running through a very sensitive 412 rated for 400 watts. There's so little background noise, dude. I'm so incredibly happy. And then that's my guitar. Now it's gone. My guitar. See that? That's just me. I'm messing with the volume of my guitar. First of all, I can't believe the amp works. Because of the condition of it as it came in. But it was worth the fight, man. This thing sounds fantastic. And I'm glad we did the jacks. A single coil noise. That's humbucker noise. The amp is all the way up. Great overtones. Beautiful. So let's turn the normal channel all the way up and we'll just plug into the treble, because I find the amp is voiced a little dark overall. Great sound.